Today we are going to discuss about the final keyword in PHP. So the final keyword in PHP is used only for methods and classes. If you use the final keyword while creating your method, that means you cannot be performed the overriding on that method. Or if you're using the final keyword with class, that means you cannot extend that class in future. How? I'm saying die, so you can easily get the code. Now I'm saying I have a class, I'm saying cars, make sure the first letter is capital. I always use the first letter as a capital. Now I'm saying I have a cars. Now if I'm saying that I have another class for suppose Toyota or Honda, and now I extends cars class. If I define the public method here, my method, definitely I can access this method. Okay, now I'm going to create the instance of the Honda. Here my new object obj, that means I'm talking about the object. I'm creating the instance. Okay, now I'm saying obj, and now I can access this method. Go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, it's saying my method. If I use the final keyword before class, then it will give you the error. Class Honda may not inherit from final class because you used the final keyword, so you cannot extend this class now and in future. So that's why. So this is the usage of final. Okay, if you use the final keyword with your method while creating your method, I'm saying final function, I'm saying my method 2, and now here I'm saying parent method. Now if you use final keyword, that means you cannot override this method. Now I'm saying function my method 2. Now I am saying child method, and I'm going to create this, and now I'm going to access this method. Now this method, go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, cannot override final method. So this is the usage of final. If you use the final keyword while creating the method, you cannot override that method, as you know I have just discussed. And if you use the final keyword while creating the class, that means you cannot extend that class in future. So I think this is enough for today. In the next section we are going to cover some other topics. Thank you for watching.